How many islands are there in the Philippines?
7,201.
Wrong.
7,641.
Correct. What is the most common element in the human body?
Oxygen.
Correct.
Doktor ka.
Med pa. What is the smallest unit of matter?
Matter. Wait lang.
Hello.
Atom.
Correct. How many thousands are in a million?
Thousand?
Yes.
Wait, my math is not working. Wait lang. A million. Wait lang. Million in a thousand?
Yes. How many thousands are in a million?
1,000.
Correct. What is the number below the line of a fraction called?
Denominator.
Correct.
Justin Bieber, common denominator.
In business, what does ROI stands for?
Return on investment.
Wrong.
No, ROI! Return on investment. No ba?
Oh no.
Return of investment?
Correct.
Investment.
Correct. What tissue connects muscle to bones? Ano?
Joints?
Ha?
Ay, joints.
Wrong.
Tendons.
Correct. Which system in your body breaks down food into nutrients?
Stomach?
Wrong. System.
Wala talaga na puso. System. Digestive system.
Correct. What do you call the top layer of the skin?
Ano? Go. Epidermis?
Correct.
A.
Rice is mainly composed of which macronutrients?
Question na yan. Carbohydrate.
Correct.
A.
Alright. Okay, ano mo name nyo guys?
Cyril. Jelly Ann.
Alright, thank you so much guys. Okay, may ano kayo?